Today's lecture of Basic Electronics is the overview of the Module 5. Welcome to our channel, ClassFly Community, and I hope you all are in a good mood to see the lecture today. So today we will be starting with the Module 5. So I am today giving you an overview of how the lecture has been divided. As you all know, Module 5 is the Digital Electronics Fundamentals, right? So this module is divided into two parts. That is, one will be your communication system and another will be your digital electronics. So see, communication systems have 7 lectures, and lecture 1 is the introduction about the communication system, while lecture 2 and lecture 3 respectively are the element of the communication systems part 1 and part 2. Lecture 4 and lecture 5 is the modulation part 1 and part 2, and lecture 6 is about the operation or the working of the mobile phone, and lecture 7 will be the revision of all this in a grouped way and in a brief way. Okay, now let's move on to our digital electronics division. Digital electronics is a lengthy module. It has been divided into 30 lectures for you all. So the lecture 1 is about the number system introduction. Lecture 2 will convert decimal to binary. Lecture 3 will convert binary to decimal. Lecture 4 will convert octal to binary. Lecture 5 is the conversion of the binary to octal. Lecture 6 is to octal to decimal. Lecture 7 is decimal to octal. Lecture 8 is from binary to hexadecimal. Lecture 9 is hexadecimal to binary. Lecture 10 is your hexadecimal to decimal. Lecture 11 is your decimal to hexadecimal. Lecture 12 and lecture 13 respectively is octal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to octal. So your number system gets completed till the lecture 13. Now we will move ahead with the lecture 14, lecture 15, which is the digital electronics introduction part 1 and part 2. And next we will begin with the Boolean algebras, and Boolean algebra has been divided into 6 parts. So lecture 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 will consist of your Boolean algebra all parts. So as I told, till lecture 21 we will be dealing with Boolean algebra, and this Boolean algebra will comprising all your laws as well as your gates. Now we will move ahead to our lecture 22, which is about the half adder. Lecture 23 is about the full adder. Lecture 24 is about your multiplexer. Lecture 5 is about the decoder. Lecture 26 and 27 is about the flip-flops, basically the SR and the JK flip-flop. Lecture 20 is about the shift register. Lecture 29 is the 3-bit ripple counter. Whereas the lecture 30 will be a brief comprise of whole lecture from 1 to lecture 29 as a revision for you all. So I hope you all have understood how your digital electronics fundamentals have been divided into parts. Till then, be happy and have a great day. Now it's the code time. Don't waste time. You can never get it back. I hope all of you understood the overview of the Module 5 and hope you all to see in the upcoming lectures. Thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly Community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.